Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome again to the Adventures of the Hiking Sailor. And again, today's another solo hike because the SGOE is doing a different hike today and I just found about it too late. I am at the Irving Nature Park hike. It's approximately 8.65 kilometers. It's an incredible park. Trails are really nice. There's lots of parking. There's parking all along the water behind me. And there's parking inside the park itself. Plus there's a little nature school in there. Raccoons and squirrels in the summertime. But today it is mainly sunny. About 5 degrees. 2 degrees with the wind chill. Again, I'm carrying a 30-pound backpack. And that's the start of the trail going up the rear part. I'll see you in a bit. Okay. And here is the information sign for the Irving Nature Park. And share your memories. We're just going to go up here. Again today I have my icers on. As you can see, the trail is still icy. And there's no wind inside this park, so I might have to take off this shell I got on. I have 2 layers underneath the shell. And I'll see you in a bit. That was nice. I was talking to a fellow hiker, Gwen's her name, and she actually seen my videos. Is that ever incredible? So I chatted to her, and she didn't want to be on YouTube, which I can understand. I always ask everybody before I film them, because that's only being polite, right? And she gave me some, she warned me there's some squirrels up here, active, so she gave me the rest of her seeds to feed them. So I'll see if I can get those buggers on film. Basically, I'm at the first rest stop. I'm going to take off my dirt shell. Just over yonder, we go all along the edge over there. It's pretty cool. There's the trail where I came from. This is all the picnic tables they have around here. Garbage bin. Massive parking lot. See the inlet over there. And privy is just beyond there. So I'm going to take a little break here. There is another barbecue pit area, more parking down there, more stuff over there. So it's a pretty wonderful place. There's a lot of people in the last 10 minutes. It's pretty hard to record stuff. We got all the danger areas, like normal, cordoned off just in case, because you never know. You'll see these on the park here. There's a bird up there. As you can see here, the trail coincides with the road, and the road is a mess right now, as you can imagine. And the trail goes back into the side, right up here. There's a lot of blown down trees that I just been noticing here. Even up ahead, I notice it even more. Like I mentioned in my last video, there are a lot of down trees this year. very sunny afternoon today. Makes hiking a pleasure. I think I mentioned before I took down my outer shell. That seems to make a huge difference. Big part of the trail fell away. Oh, wow. Beautiful here though, isn't it? Coming up to another picnic area. The scenic lookout. A little scenic lookout. Don't go past these barriers though. Coming up to another rest area, and as I said before, there's parking all over there, almost every rest area. So it's not too bad here at Nature Irving Park, and there's a really good cooking area right there. Good day, everybody, and we met this young fellow here. What's your name, dude?
Addison, and I'm recording a video because I like.
And do you know who I am?
Do you know who I am?
No, who are you?
I'm Addison.
I'm Adrian. I'm also known as a hiking sailor.
Oh wow!
So you
I'm hoping for a video.
That's right.
Surprise me! I'm gonna do a little do.
Yeah. So yeah, that's okay. So you said you had a great idea for everybody. What is that great idea of yours?
My great idea is to hold a show.
That's a pretty good idea. What does your parents say about that?
Yes. So my first video is Pat and Jen.
You watched Digimon at all?
One day in Minecraft when I was watching a show, Pat had $1,000. Jen said, "What are you gonna buy with it?" Pat said, "A hot dog." Jen said, "A very expensive hot dog."
Okay, so nice talking to you today.
Nice talking to you today.
Okay.
I'm more videos to bro.
Okay. So you meet the most interesting people on the trail. Look at the little guy I was talking to. Wow, he's gonna be on TV soon. Wow, lots of mud here. We already got a little wet. Here. Water all around me right now. See the lookouts? We go down to the beach. Right down below us, beautiful rock, sand beach. Beautiful surf. This is called St. John's Fat Man Squeeze. I made it through! Yay! We are. We've arrived at the sandy beach. This is where Natasha and I came down to sit. Picture. Trail exits over there. Well, we just completed the 5th kilometer. 1.5 left. Lost the trail, been some on the road, I found it again, so that's good. And this is a nice sweet area coming up. I can show you. Park your car, garbage cans, everything's there, and you just sit on the beach. great. There's no parking lot near this area. So you have this whole cove to yourself. Just hike here. One thing I like about this trail is they have, you can't see them right now, but a lot of wood chips. And so a lot of moisture. But, gotta be careful. Slip on them because they're loose. So just beware when you're hiking on trails, be prepared. Like for example, this type of weather, trekking poles, snow poles, hiking poles, whatever you want, doesn't really matter. You can set up boots or shoes with icers on them. And I'll show you a picture of my icers right now. Right beside the road, the trail is. And a nice little picnic area, garbage, parking. Beautiful here. So yeah, this part of the trail is nice. It's more rough on this side than on the other side. But just be safe and you'll have everything. There's another stay right here. And beautiful view from here. We're really next to the road here, but we don't really notice it. But on the inlet side, it's a lot rougher than the outer part. I don't know what's wrong with today, but nobody wants to be on YouTube except the little kid. Oh well, at least I ask. You should not record people from being awares. Safety tape here, but this trail is no longer open, this part of it. I can go to the left, go to the trails, or I can continue on this trail. Decisions. I'll go on this trail too. Well, I was going to go way out there into the boardwalk, but the sign says trail closed, and I don't really want to do it anyways. Okay, hike's over. As you can see, it's still sunny. Beautiful day. I'm not overheated. 2 layers on, it's pretty good. Zip down, of course. No thermals on for the legs, just these awesome pants. And it was at least 7 to 8 kilometers today going on the side routes. Nice, the 6.5 you can stick to the route. So I'll give you a little scale up ahead. Like I said, that's it for today. There might be a hike tomorrow. I'm debating on going, but I have to wash everything. So if there is, I'll see you tomorrow. So join me next time for the next adventures of the Hiking Sailor.